This is Terrence B., your Mr. Fix-It man. That's right. And I have been dealing with this attic fan for a couple of weeks now, trying to get all the parts and get everything right, all the wiring and cabling, and ended up at one point the store gave me the wrong motor, so I persevered through all of that to get it done. They said it couldn't be done, but I did it. You're Mr. Fix-It man. So here's my attic fan here. And there's my box that I mounted on the wall. And let's see what happens when I turn it on. Just music to my ears. TB signing off. Your Mr. Fix-It man.